I know you have passed your exam and you are searching online skills for learning, so you are in the right place. In this video, I will told you some top best courses and online skills to learn, and at the end of that courses you can earn a passive income. So now don't worry about your futures. And here one thing is that if you want to learn all of these courses, so contact with me on WhatsApp. I will give you these courses free. Before starting the video, I have requested you if this video is helpful for you guys, so please share this video to your friends and also hit the subscribe button for more interesting updates. Thank you.
After completing your 12th exams, there are several valuable online skills you can learn to enhance your career prospects and personal growth. Here are the top 15 best online skills you can consider. 15. Web development. Learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create interactive websites and web applications. 14. Digital marketing. Acquire knowledge in SEO, social media marketing, content creation, and analytics to promote businesses online. 13. Graphic design. Develop skills in Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or other graphic design software to create visually appealing content. 12. Content writing. Improve your writing skills and learn about SEO optimization to create engaging content for blogs, websites, or social media.
11. Search engine optimization SEO. Learn techniques to optimize websites and improve their visibility on search engines. 10. E-commerce management. Understand the fundamentals of online business, including setting up an online store, inventory management, and customer relationship management. 9. UI/UX design. Learn how to create user-friendly interfaces and enhance the user experience of digital products or websites. 8. Social media management. Acquire skills in managing social media accounts, engaging with followers, and creating effective social media strategies. 7. Video production. Learn the art of creating high-quality videos, including filming, editing, and post-production techniques.
6. Cybersecurity. Develop knowledge of online security measures, data protection, and ethical hacking to safeguard digital systems. 5. Entrepreneurship. Acquire knowledge in starting and managing a business, including business planning, marketing, and financial management. 4. Data analysis. Master tools like Excel, Python, or R to analyze and interpret data, which is in high demand across industries. 3. Mobile app development. Learn programming languages like Java or Swift to create mobile applications for Android or iOS platforms.
2. Content writing. Enhance your writing skills and learn about SEO optimization to create engaging content for blogs, websites, or social media. 1. Video editing. Gain proficiency in video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro to create professional-looking videos. So these are the top 15 best online skills, which is very essential for every student to learn. So remember, the choice of the skill you want to learn depends on your interests, career goals, and the industry you want to pursue. Choose something that aligns with your passions and has good prospects in the future job market. These skills are highly sought after in various industries and offer great career prospects. However, it's important to choose a skill that aligns with your interests and career goals.
I hope that you understand well, so if this video was helpful for you guys, then subscribe MrCrazytech YouTube channel for more interesting updates. So best of luck, and we'll be meet within next video. Take care, goodbye.